This is the Tongate case for the Z Fold 7. Okay, this case is hardcore. I mean, any case with an installation manual, that's some serious stuff. So this is a two-piece case, and it has a belt clip, in case you're one of those people. And it also comes with a privacy screen. So there's adhesives on the front cover, so it sticks on better. Many of the Z Fold cases have this. Okay, so this is what I call an ultra protective case. First of all, there's a lens cover, so you can protect your lenses. It slides open and closed. It also has a kickstand, props up very nice in portrait. A great angle for landscape. And then with the phone open, you just have to turn it over. That's the case with a lot of these cases too. Now as far as hand feel, this really does bulk up the phone. However, it adds a really nice grip for your middle fingers here. This is actually cool, rather than having one piece that goes all the way down. It's a nice grip. That's pretty metal. It offers very good protection. The bezel goes up very high for the outer screen. Obviously amazing lens protection. It has two separate volume buttons, which is convenient. And the cutout for the power button / fingerprint sensor is also very deep as well, and your thumb slides right in there. Deep cutouts for the USB-C. And then there's the privacy screen. Okay, that's a dark privacy screen. I had to raise my brightness. Okay, let's test out the privacy screen. Can you tell? Now, I can't keep track of how many times I say that I don't like screen protectors. I guess I prefer them built in so I don't have to stick them on and tear them off the phone. And it's actually pretty responsive for a screen protector with my swipes and gestures. I just kind of, miss something here and there. So for a screen protector, it functions well. I just prefer to touch the glass on the phone itself. I don't think this is MagSafe compatible. It is not, the only feature that it does not have. Drop test? I'm not concerned. I mean, it's obviously perfect. Oh, and of course, the belt clip. There you go. And for everybody that assumed I did these videos in my underwear. So just to recap, this is an ultra protective case, full lens cover, functional kickstand, very grippy, really good all-around protection, adds bulk to the phone, obviously, privacy screen, and military-grade drop protection. If you want the absolute most hardcore protection for your Z Fold 7, this one may be for you. At the time of this video, $69.99 on Amazon marked down to $55.99. That may be a limited time deal.